going to make something special. We are going to make almond lime cake. I've never tried before, but today's my lucky day. I'm so excited to try it. This is
Mummy.
and this is
Jack.
and my name is Ashiana. Alright everyone, so today's ingredients are, we have got coconut sugar, almond meal, flaked almonds, ricotta, we have got natural almond, and what are these, Jack?
Eggs.
Eggs, so we have got 4 eggs.
Super simple.
What?
There's one thing missing, guys. This is a lime, ricotta and almond cake, so we need limes. Have we got a lime tree? Let's go and get some.
Alright, let's go. Welcome back! Woo!
Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with 250 grams of ricotta. Ovi, would you like to pour this in? That's it. Ooh.
Plonk. That's wrong.
Well done.
That wrong cheese is so squishy.
Now guys, if you want to see, can you see here? We've got 4 egg yolks, so we've separated the 4 eggs. We'll pour those in.
Alright, let's. So the yolk. Oh my goodness, that looks like cream.
Scrape all that out.
That looks
So
like
250 grams of ricotta,
That looks like
4 egg yolks. Now I've got 175 grams of sugar here. Now this is coconut sugar. I'm not going to get into a sugar debate. You can use whatever you want. Caster sugar.
brown sugar, white sugar.
Yeah, whatever you like. This is my
Oh, green sugar.
green sugar. So in we go with that. Then we want
That looks
1
like sour
teaspoon.
caramel ice cream. Does it? Sour caramel ice cream.
Oh, 1 teaspoon of natural almond extract. So Ovi, do you
Mango
want
ice
all the
cream,
spoons?
guys. Sure. Guys, comment down below what's your favorite ice cream? Mango, chocolate, blueberry, anyone.
That's a great idea,
I like
Jack.
Great idea, Jack. Guys, you can choose any one you want. I like chocolate and mango. I like chocolate and vanilla.
Oh,
Safe.
I like honeycomb. All right, so let's get beating now.
We are back.
We're back, we are. So we've just beat those ingredients together. Now while I stir, Oshi, did you want to put the almond meal in?
Sure.
Now as I said, guys, use whatever sugar you want. If you haven't cooked with coconut sugar before,
You can use caramel sugar if you like.
well, I don't know about that, but
It tastes
coconut
really
sugar
nice.
can have a bit of a dehydrating effect on the ingredients, so you've just got to be mindful of that, and it'll throw a bit of a different taste.
Looks like slime.
So just have a fiddle with it and see what you want.
Looks like nutty slime. Does it? With poop in it.
Oh! Now we've got the oven preheated on 150 degrees as well. Don't go above that, otherwise you will really dry this out. You need to keep it at a slow temp so it cooks slowly. Is that nearly it?
Nearly.
We are back and we're nearly done.
Guys.
Now we are grating one of our limes. I've just washed it under the sink. So we want the rind from 1 whole lime.
Wow, it
smell that.
smells so yummy.
Now guys, I've never tried this, but I'm
I
sure,
can always just eat it.
I have tried this. What I was going to say is,
to death.
what I was going to say is, I think it would be a nice variation. You could try orange, lemon cake, but I have tried lime, and I must say it is very tangy, very delicious. So we've got the lime done. There he is. And I'm going to use this later for something, I'm not sure yet. Now, our last ingredient, guys, we've got our 4 egg whites. So I'm going to give those a light beat. go, that'll do.
We are back, guys!
We are. How does it smell in here?
Smells like a lemon, not a lime. It smells like the orangey lemon
It does.
from our house.
Right, let's finish this off. So in with the lime, and Obi, do you want to put
Now we're gonna mix
the
it.
egg whites in?
Yep. We're gonna mix it, yay! Wow, that looks.
So just put about a third of that in.
That
So-
looks like chocolate ice cream with green sprinkles in it.
That's good, yeah. And I'll just give that a stir.
We're back.
We are mixing. So we've got a third of the mixture in
Why are we
there.
mixing?
You got to combine the ingredients, Jackman.
Oh,
Otherwise, it's not going to work.
I
Bit
thought.
more, Obi. Another half of
I
that.
thought we were gonna make it with the cow in it.
Ah. So guys,
Some
these
cow's
this
milk.
is the 4
I mean cows.
egg whites that we separated from before. It smells nice. Now, as you can see just over here, I like to use
Can I smell
a
it?
round tin, about 20
Can I smell it?
centimeters. Does it smell nice?
Smells like nothing.
Oh. This one's a little bigger than I would normally use, but it'll be okay. So this slice is actually going to come out quite thin.
We're
Which
gonna
is
cut
nice.
it in
More in the last bit,
pieces.
Yep. There we go.
Whoa.
So this is how it looks in the end, guys. We're going to pour it into, so as you can see, I've lined this with paper, as I do all the time. Yes, Jack?
You're a really good YouTuber.
Thanks, Jack. I reckon you are too, buddy.
Yeah, like I do really good things.
You do.
Like sometimes I give Rishi a tour around some houses. I have some sleepovers at my bedroom. Sometimes I do everything to make myself feel good.
Jack, you sure do, buddy. Now, kiddies, I'm going to let you both top the cake with, we've got our little flaked almonds here. Ready, Jack?
Yep.
All over.
I got plenty. Wow, I don't really think it looks like a cake.
Yum, yum. Now, this is going to go in the oven on, as I said before, 150 degrees, no higher, degrees Celsius that is. And it's going to be in there, keep your eye on it, it needs to be until golden brown, but it's going to be roughly sort of 30 to 35 minutes.
Guys, if you're a kid, always make sure that you've got your parents here to do the shredding.
That's a great idea. Anything
Great
with
idea.
heat or cutting, grating, yes, that's a smart kid. We're done.
So it looks really good, doesn't it, guys?
It does. So this took around 35 minutes, and as you can see, it's only quite shallow, but it's nice and spongy.
this one's loose.
Yeah, that's all right. A lot of them are loose, but it's nice and warm. So I'm going to cut it now.
For Oshi.
We're going to have a test
I'm
taste.
so excited, Mom's gonna try it too.
Yes.
Except not me.
No, Jackie doesn't want to try it just yet. We're just going to have a little bit to start with. Now, I will say that
Oh, that's what people do
We'll just
with
have-
cakes. Alright.
this is really yummy
Whoa.
when you eat it warm, or you can cut it up when it's cool and have it, you know, cold in the fridge. It is nice with custard. If you want to be a bit naughty, a bit of ice cream or cream.
Strawberries and ice cream, maybe?
Yeah. But it is really lovely on its own. So we're just going to have a little bit each, aren't we,
We
Osh?
can put blueberries or grapes.
That's yours, Obi.
Grapes.
Now it is quite warm, so just be careful.
Yep.
Jackie, have a smell.
Alright, let's try it. It doesn't smell that good.
It doesn't smell that good, he says. All right, Osh, you and me.
Oh, hot. Ew.
It's yummy. It's really light and fluffy.
Wait, you disgusted it? Yum. Do you want to try some?
Do you like it, Ashley?
Mm-hmm.
Be nice with custard, isn't it?
No, thank you, Mama.
But I'm going to be good, so I'm going to have it on its own.
Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And like the video. And also, if you want to like it in 10 seconds, like in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like the video.
We'll see you next time.
Bye guys.
See you